In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check word count in Notion. Whether you're a writer, a student, or someone simply curious about the length of a particular text, keeping track of word count can be crucial. Notion, a versatile workspace tool, has a feature that makes checking word count straightforward and user-friendly. So let's dive right in and explore how to utilize this feature effectively. To begin with, we need to access our Notion workspace. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to your Notion account. If you're not logged in yet, simply click on the Login button that you'll find prominently displayed. Signing in is quick and seamless, and once you're in, you'll be directed to your Notion home. Here is where you'll find all your pages, projects, and any documentation you might have stored. Now, in the Notion home, pick one of the pages where you'd like to check the word count. Click on it to open up the detailed view of the page. This page could be a document you're working on, or any text-based content that requires a word count check. Once you have the page open in front of you, you'll want to select the specific portion of text you're interested in analyzing. Simply click and drag your cursor to highlight the desired section. This will let Notion know which text you're focusing on for the next steps. With your text selected, look for the option labeled Ask AI. This feature is a powerful tool within Notion, designed to facilitate tasks like these effortlessly. Click on Ask AI to open its query window. This allows you to communicate with Notion's AI feature for various tasks, including calculating word count, which is what we'll be doing next. In the query window, all you need to do is type in word count and then hit Enter. What happens next is quite fascinating. The AI processes your request swiftly and provides you with the word count of your selected text. It's simple, efficient, and reduces the hassle of copying text into another word processor just to check word count. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can accurately and quickly find out the word count of any piece of text within Notion. This feature is particularly useful for writers aiming to meet specific word limits, or students ensuring their assignments comply with requirements. Hopefully, this guide has made the process clearer for you, and you feel more confident in utilizing Notion's capabilities to the fullest. Thank you for joining me today, and happy writing!